Mark Michael Icarion. Now get to know about me more. Hi, so my full name is Mark Michael Icarion, and I live in Maandao, Dapitan City. And now I'm currently 17 years old, turning 18 this December 22. And my birthday is December 22, 2008. So this year, magdebut ako. Charing, dili man jay kubayi. Pero still, now my hobbies are playing volleyball, reading, and also sleeping. Kaunti man tingali na, basta kay hobby, sleeping. Now, more about me is I moved up in grade 10. I was ranked 3rd of our batch with a total average of 98%. And I was also the SSLG-PO that year, and now I am still the SSLG-PO. So I am back-to-back the SSLG-PO for 2 consecutive years. And I am currently running as president under the Kaisa party list. So, ako na karon is a grade 11 student sa section STEM B. And our advisor is the pinaka-EFA nga Sir Giselle. And syempre, what we do after the school days, sa weekend, syempre mga naagbi sa ako mga EFAs nga friend. Silang Zayana, silang Kat, silang Zed, silang Ping, silang Gab. Because that's what EFAs do. We hang out together. Because the birds of the same feather flock together. And now, lastly, my motto in life is to not waste time because time is gold. Pero pag siya na, well, malanay dyan ang gold. Pero seriously, my motto in life is to just keep going because every happening happens for a reason. Because God has plans for me and I believe